to add a countersunk hole, we can use again the hole wizard. So similar to making a through hole, we'll make a countersunk hole. Again, the first option for the hole types is the counter bore hole, and the second hole type is the countersunk hole. So I can select this countersunk hole, and I can go to position and locate it. So I'm going to pick this surface, it goes flat to the screen, and I'm going to go about to where I think a 1/2 inch is. And then I'm going to go to Smart Dimension and dimension this to that point. I already have a point there. I'm going to exit out. See this sketch right here? I was doing one earlier and it kept it. So I'm going to delete that feature, and we will create another hole. Again, I'll just kind of get this rotated around. We will go to the hole wizard. I will use the countersunk type hole, and I will go to the position tab, and I will select on this face, and it will rotate it flat to the screen. I'm going to aim for about 1/2 inch on either side, and I'll use the Smart Dimension to locate it accurately. I modify this to 1/2 inch. I'm going to modify this to a 1/2 inch. And this is where it's going to put the countersunk hole. I'll hit the green check, and when I do this, I'll go back to type, and you see that hole looks really small. Kind of rotate it around. It's a very tiny little hole because it's a countersunk number 0. So you normally want something bigger. Like if I go 3/8, you can see that this is a countersunk hole. It's already set to know the countersunk, and then the depth of the hole will go all the way through. So we're saying that this is a 3/8 inch hole. It's for a flathead 100 screw, so that means that it's already determined the angle. And then once it hits that angle to 3/8, it just creates the hole for the finish. A very common hole size is a number 10 hole or even a number 8 hole. I can hit the green check and go to my ISO view and click off the part. I can use my visualization to show the hidden lines to make that easier to see the counter bore hole or countersunk hole going through the part. Here is your hole. These are hidden lines representing what this part would look like if I could see through it, so it's transparent. These lines are all hidden as well, just to get you a better visual what that countersunk hole looks like. So that's how you insert a countersunk hole.